Welcome to my channel eTutor Monastery. Hi guys, in this series of set theory, in my last 3 videos I have discussed the basic concept of set theory, roster method and set builder method. I have mentioned all the links below in the description box. In this video, we will focus on the third type of set representation, that is descriptive method. So let's start. Please subscribe to the eTutor Monastery channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest notifications and updates. Now let's discuss what is descriptive method. In a descriptive method or statement method, set represents in a well-defined description about the elements. Actually, this description must allow concise determination of which elements belongs to the set and which elements do not. Let's have some examples. Here we have some examples of descriptive method. As like roster and set builder method, first we have to give a name of that set. Then just have to describe the set. Here capital P is the name of the set and it represents set of first 5 prime numbers in the descriptive method. Next, capital O is the name of the set and it represents set of positive odd integers less than or equal to 10. Next, capital C represents set of all letters in the word set theory. Similarly, capital D represent in a descriptive method set of all square numbers less than 20. Now let's discuss how we can represent a common set in different form of set representations. Here is our first question. Write the set of all vowels in the English alphabet in the descriptive method, roster method and set builder method. Also mention the cardinal number of this set. Let's solve this. So, to represent this set in a descriptive method, first we have to give a name of that set. So, the set in descriptive method, that is capital A, equals to the set of all vowels in the English alphabets. Now, the set in roster method. Capital A equals to all the vowels in a comma separated form within a curly brackets, that is A, E, I, O, U. Next is the set in set builder method. So, if we represent the set in set builder method, then we will represent as capital A equals to small x such that x is a vowel in the English alphabet. Here small x represents the elements. Next is cardinal number. So, to count the cardinal number of this set, we will count the number of elements in the set in roster form. Here we have 5 elements, that is A, E, I, O, U. So, the cardinal number of this set is 5. Now, proceed to the next problem. Write the set of all positive numbers divisible by 3 but less than 25 in the descriptive method, set builder method and roster method. Also mention the cardinal number of this set. Let's solve this. So, to represent this set in the descriptive method, first we have to give a name of the set, then we have to represent this set in a form of language. Okay, so the set in descriptive method, if denoted by capital D, then capital D equals to the set of all positive numbers divisible by 3 but less than 25. Now let's represent the set in set builder method. Okay, so the set in set builder method, that is capital D equals to 3z, the element part, such that z belongs to capital N. Now, why the element is 3z? Because according to the question, the elements must be divisible by 3. So, 3z obviously divisible by 3, right? So, to complete this set builder method, we have to complete the formula part. Z greater than equals to 1. Why z greater than equals to 1? because z is itself a positive number, right? Now we just have to find the upper limit of z. To find the upper limit of z, we have to put the possible values of z in 3z and check that at which point the value of 3z is nearest to 25 but not more than 25. Okay? So let's find the upper limit of z. If z equals to 7, then 3z equals to 3 into 7, that is 21. That is less than 25. Now try again. If z equals to 8, then 3z equals to 3 into 8, that is 24. That is again less than 25. Okay. Now up to this we are within the range. Now the next number. If z equals to 9, then 3z equals to 3 into 9, 27. Now 27 is greater than 25. So the upper limit of z is 8. In this way we can complete the set builder form. That is capital D equals to 3z such that z belongs to n, z greater than equals to 1 but less than equals to 8. Next is set in roster method. In this example, we will find the set in roster method from the set in set builder method. How? We will just put the values of z in the range of 1 to 8 one by one in the value of element, that is 3z, and we will get the whole set, and the set will look like this. And how we get this? We just put the values of z in 3z and get this whole set. That is, when z equals to 1, then 3z is 3, that is our first element. When z equals to 2, then 3z is 6, that is our second element, so on. And at last, when z equals to 8, then 3z equals to 24, right? Now we have to find the cardinal number. To find the cardinal number, we just have to count the number of elements in this set, and the number of elements in this set is 8. So the cardinal number of this set is 8. Now proceed to the next problem. Write the set of all positive square numbers less than 100 in the descriptive method, roster method and set builder method. Also mention the cardinal number of this set. Okay. Let's solve this. So the set in descriptive method, that is capital S, equals to the set of all positive square numbers less than 100. Okay. Now the set in roster method. Here capital S equals to all the elements in square form within a curly bracket, that is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 and 81. All these elements are the square value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So the set in set builder method. Here capital S equals to x such that x is a square numbers and x in the range between 0 to 100. So next we have to find the cardinal number, and the cardinal number equals to 9, that is the number of element in roster method. In this video I have discussed what is descriptive method, examples of descriptive method and representation of sets in different forms with cardinal number. In my next video I will discuss about the types of set. So see you in my next video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and comment. If you wait to subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe immediately and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of my new uploads first.